Engineering. The future of flight. Discover B.Sc in Aeronautical Engineering. A B.Sc in Aeronautical Science, or Aeronautical Engineering, focuses on the study of designing, developing, and maintaining aircraft, spacecraft, and related systems. It combines theoretical knowledge with practical skills, preparing students for careers in the aviation and aerospace industries. Program overview. The program typically spans 3 to 4 years, depending on the country and university. Students are exposed to subjects such as aerodynamics, propulsion systems, materials science, and flight mechanics. Core subjects in B.Sc Aeronautical. Number 1. Aerodynamics, study of air movement around solid objects, like aircraft wings and fuselage. Number 2. Propulsion systems, understanding jet engines, rocket motors, and other propulsion technologies. Number 3. Aircraft structures, learning the design and stress analysis of aircraft components. Number 4. Flight dynamics and mechanics, study of flight control, stability, and motion. Number 5. Avionics, aircraft electrical and electronic systems, including navigation and communication systems. Number 6. Materials science, exploration of materials like composites and alloys used in aircraft manufacturing. Number 7. Thermodynamics, heat and energy concepts applied in propulsion and other systems. Number 8. Aerospace manufacturing processes, techniques involved in building aircraft and spacecraft. Number 9. Meteorology, study of atmospheric conditions affecting flight operations. Number 10. Safety and regulations, understanding aviation safety standards and laws. Career opportunities after B.Sc in Aeronautical. Graduates have diverse opportunities in the aerospace and aviation sectors. Some career paths include: Number 1. Aircraft Design Engineer, focus, designing and developing aircraft and spacecraft. Salary range is Indian Rupee 312 LPA, India, $50,000 to $100,000 annually, abroad. Number 2. Aerodynamicist, focus, analyzing airflow over aircraft components for optimization. Number 3. Flight Operations Specialist, focus, coordinating and managing flight operations. Number 4. Aerospace Technician, focus, assisting in the manufacturing and testing of aircraft systems. Number 5. Avionics Engineer, focus, designing and maintaining aircraft electronics. Number 6. Maintenance Engineer, focus, ensuring aircraft safety and regulatory compliance through regular inspections. Number 7. Defense Sector, working on military aircraft and aerospace technologies. Number 8. Space Research Organizations, collaborate on satellite, rocket, and space exploration missions. Number 9. Pilot Training, with additional certification a stepping stone for those who wish to pursue aviation as a pilot. Number 10. Academic and research roles, contribute to advancements in aerospace technologies and teach future engineers. Key skills needed for success. Number 1. Problem solving and analytical abilities. Number 2. Strong foundation in mathematics and physics. Number 3. Proficiency in CAD and simulation tools, e.g. CATIA, MATLAB, ANSYS. Number 4. Teamwork and collaboration. Number 5. Understanding of aviation safety regulations, FAA, EASA, DGCA. Top institutes offering B.Sc in Aeronautical in India. Number 1. Indian Institute of Aeronautics, Delhi. Number 2. Hindustan Institute of Technology and Science, Chennai. Number 3. Amity University, Noida. Number 4. Puranmurthy Campus, Haryana. Number 5. Falcon Institute of Aircraft Maintenance Engineer, Haryana. Further studies. After completing the B.Sc, you can pursue: Number 1. M.Sc, in Aerospace/Aeronautical Engineering. Number 2. Specialized certifications, EASA, FAA, DGCA licenses. Number 3. Research opportunities in aerospace technologies. For more information, call us on +91 8800 66 3006 or visit our website www.aimct.in.